Dis shikele tori dey come to you from TMC TV. Edo government don talk say the bad people wey gba passengers for train station for Igweben, dem no come from Edo. Say dis ones waka come from nearby states. People wey resemble tifi-tifi lama-lama people don on Saturday kidnap passengers when dey wait to enter train from Igweben train station for Igweben local government area of Edo State to Warri for Delta State. While plenty people get injury, the kidnappers wey carry AK-47 gun enter the train station and begin to shoot anyhow before dem carry some of the travelers enter bush. Edo State government, security agents for the state don carry waka enter where this matter for shele. Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu come chook mouth for the yeye thing wey shele for this area.
It is normal with situations that we find ourselves. Why Edo as will not be a base, you cannot say the same with other states, neighboring states. So for us, it's like guerrilla warfare. They have been disseminated. They don't have a base, so they just come and go. So all of us, not just Edo, all the states around, Kogi especially, and other states around, have to also do the same, because they go and come. And that is what they now do, because Edo is too hot for them to be a base. So we are doing everything possible here. Our security system here is top notch. Yesterday, the CP, the brigade commander, the civil defense, DSS, Air Force, everybody moved into action. Before even security meetings, they were already acting, including the vigilante and hunters. As we pick since yesterday, they've been there, and I won't reveal too much. But what is key is that everybody is on alert, and you can see the CP is here, the NCDC, SSS, brigade commander, everybody's here. And before we came here, they have already deployed since yesterday. We will not want any stain in what we've done, and I can bet that there won't be stain. What we are concerned about now is to get these people out safe and healthy. That's what we're interested in. And you know, whatever we have to do, the lives of these abductors are key, critical for us. So it's not something that we have to just rush. They are putting all their professionalism in place. Thank God, some of them are out, but everybody has to be out. Not just, and we will not want to display and show you anybody for their safety and for not to disclose their facial. But what is key is that we are already getting some of them out, but we want to get everybody out.
We go bring una the main tori for our main bulletin. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC na be your power. No say I'm giving a politician on election day.